Hello student, today we are going to study the topic general welding symbols from the subject mechanical working drawing, that is MWM, from mechanical engineering third semester I scheme polytechnic section. Now in this chart there are different symbols used for welding are given. We know that different types of weld we are using in industry. So for butt weld between plates with raised edge, we are using this type of symbol. Illustration for the butt weld between the two plates. These are the plates and these are the raised edges. We have to weld in between these two plates, so we are using symbol like this. A square butt weld, number of times this article is used and number of times this article is asked in the examination, which type of symbol is used for square butt weld, or mention the symbol for single V butt weld. So you have to draw this illustration, a small illustration, and just mention this symbol for the single V butt weld. Likewise, number of symbols are given over here. So you have to remember all these symbols, as it is very important for practical purpose also and for exam point of view also. Single V butt weld, then single U butt weld. So for U butt weld, this type of symbol is used. Upper portion is like letter U, and for V butt weld, upper symbol is like V. Now one more important is fillet weld. We know that in a flat horizontal plate, if a vertical plate is placed and is to be welded, so we call it as a fillet weld, and we are representing the symbol with a right angle triangle. So this question will ask in examination number of times. Just keep in remember, fillet weld must be illustrated like this diagram, and the symbol is a right angle triangle. Like this way, for seam welding and for spot welding, these two symbols are used. For spot welding, a circle is used, and for seam welding, circle with two horizontal lines are used. So you have to remember whole chart of welding symbol. Now, one more important chart here I have showing to you. Flat single V butt weld, illustration and symbol. Convex double V butt weld, the symbol is like this way. Fillet weld, within that a subtype is concave fillet weld, symbol is in front of you. Flat single V weld with flat backing run, single V butt weld with flat backing run, symbol is here. So again I am repeating, you have to remember all these symbols, because in the problem they are asking like this way. Suppose one type of problem is there, what they are asking: represent the welding drawing of two shafts with equal diameter welded end to end by means of square butt weld with convex contour at side. So here the two different shafts, this one and this one, I have highlighted with blue and red color lines. So you have to mention a welded joint, a square but weld with convex contour. So this symbol we are using for convex contour. You have to mention just this symbol above the line. So you will get the marks. One more example, a shell of 2 meter diameter is to be prepared from 28 mm thick MS steel plate. The ends of the plate are to be welded with double V weld with broad root face. Depth of weld is 12 mm from outside and 8 mm from the inside. And weld is flush into on either side, represent the joint with welding symbol on it with the neat sketch. So we have to represent a sketch. What they have mentioned, a shell of 2 meter diameter. So you have to draw this shell, cylindrical type, having 2 meter diameter, having 28 mm thickness. Here they have mentioned 28 mm thickness. MS material, that is mild steel. And double V weld, V butt weld is used. So double V butt weld, we have to represent this 12 mm depth weld from outside and 8 mm from inside. So this is the symbol you have to mention, so you will get full marks. Now one more question may be asked in the examination, and the question is, two mild steel plates having some thickness, here 8 mm thickness is given, are to be welded to have a lap joint by fillet weld of leg length 8 mm, represent the weld on drawing with proper symbol. So 8 mm thickness plates are there. This is 8 mm thickness. This is also 8 mm thickness. A lap joint is there by a fillet weld. So fillet weld, we are using this type of symbol, and the weld leg length is 8 mm. So here they have mentioned 8 mm. Okay, you have to just represent all these things. One more example, that is represent a welding drawing of a right circular cylinder is to be welded to a steel plate at right angles to it with all round fillet weld of 6 mm leg length. So you have to mention this diagram as per the data given in a problem statement. Circular cylinder, so you have drawn a right circular cylinder over here. It is welded with the help of this steel plate and round fillet weld of 6 mm leg length. So here 6 mm leg length is mentioned. Fine. So such type of problems on the different welding symbols are used in the mechanical working drawing. Just keep remember all the welding symbols and how they are using for solving the problems. Thank you.